The Bible says in John chapter 3 from verse 16, for God so loved the world that he did what? He gave his life. That whoever believes in him will not perish, but have life everlasting. What I have come to tell you, my brothers and sisters, today, give your life to Christ. Give your life to Christ. The only way you show that you love God is when you give your life to him. Give, my brothers and sisters. So all I am saying, brothers and sisters.
Hey,
my sister.
Since I dey serve for this place, no pastor don't ever preach like this before. I dey see pastors, they pass here every day. Nobody don't touch my soul the way you touch my soul just now. This your preaching touch my soul. Oh. You see, make we dey give, Abi? I get one special gift for you.
Ah, really?
Yes, sir.
That's good. I'm happy that the word of God has gotten to your heart.
Pastor,
yes.
You see this casket? I want gift hand to you. Very expensive.
I don't understand.
What do you not understand? I say I dey gift you this to make you appreciate me.
No. Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Chica, CEO of RG Casket. We deliver casket worldwide.
Chica, right?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Sorry?
Are you normal?
I don't understand.
I came to pray. I'm preaching love. That's the only way to show love is for you to give your life to Christ. And you're offering me, are you wishing me death? I don't understand. You're offering me casket. To do what?
You no go die one day. You dey fear to die. Everybody go die one day. And if you die, you go need them.
But do I look like I'm dying now?
Hey.
Are you okay?
Make I tell you something. Calm down. I get spiritual eyes. And as I dey see you, you go soon die.
No, now you go first die. Listen, the Bible says that the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and only the violence was taken by force. I take my things by force. I have come to preach by force. Give your life to Christ. That is all. And you're offering me casket. As what now? That I will die tomorrow.
You don't reach like this.
See, look, I'm not normal.
Kukurumiri is working. So we plenty when no normal. Take say now let me no normal. So you know normal too.
I tell you something, for this life, if you're normal for this country, you don't survive. So not try am again.
You go go fire. You
now
be fake pastor.
You go first go fire. So wait till you let me finish. As I did young rich, you say I go die tomorrow. And you go first die.
Pastor, look wetin dey talk. This is expensive.
How much for this casket?
4,700,000.
4.7 million. Now I want gift you.
Now good. If that one, this one also we get ash.
Bros, are you okay? See, forget say I know Bible.
Pastor, you no sabi anything. My madam dey give you most expensive casket for our shop. E dey look am less.
Now one of your own family members go first die.
See, make I tell you, I see your type then. I no go give you this expensive.
Nah, you go first get
that cheap one I go give you. 200,000 naira old.
God bless all of you. I come in the
Thunder go fire you. You go go air fire. You go soon die you. Fake pastor. Na fake pastor you be. Na fake so.
A family member go die tomorrow. You go need am.
Na fake pastor.
You know if it's a big one.
Hey, 2 seconds. He change.
Oh no, we are welcome. Thank you, Highness. I intend getting a fourth wife, and I will want you to do everything within your power to get me a wife as soon as possible.
Your Highness, you just got married 3 months ago to Queen Lizzy. Did she do anything wrong?
No. Nothing went wrong. I just need a new wife, that's it. I just want to try a new thing.
That's okay, Your Highness. Well, Your Highness, I'm sorry. I think we should be thinking more focused on things that matters most in our community. And all these wife distractions here and there. I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Are you calling me getting a new wife? Distractions? Are you trying to tell me that my ambition of no importance to you and the community at large?
No, not really. I've not said so, Your Highness. Just my humble opinion. I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Oh no. Try as much as possible not to be in my black books. Because if you get there, redemption will be almost impossible for you.
Igwe.
It's your powerful. What is jetting you around to the point of coming to my palace like that, like a madman?
Igwe, I'm sorry, but there is problem. Big problem.
What is the problem, Ichie? What?
Oh no, the Iroko has fallen. Our one and only casket maker, Oji, is dead.
What?
Hey.
What happened?
He died in his sleep.
Hey.
Oh.
What a sad moment. He was a very good man. How can a good man end his life so abruptly without anyone filling the space, the gap, the good legacies? Huh?
No, not really your head. I think he has a daughter.
Yes.
I think we have to make a call across to tell her about this immediately.
Yes.
A daughter? Oh, I remember. Yes. But it's been a long time I saw his daughter in this community.
Yes, Your Highness. She's outside this community schooling. We should send a message to her for her to come back home.
Oh. Very well then. Very well. Just do that. May his soul rest in peace.
Papa? Papa? Papa?
Chica, you're here. You're welcome.
Welcome, Uncle.
Welcome, Chica. Well, it is so sad you have to return in this devastating situation.
What happened to my father?
We believe he died in his sleep. He was not sick. Neither do we know the cause of his death.
So you people have finally succeeded in killing my father with your problems, right?
No.
What? But no. Don't say that. Don't. How can we?
I want to see his body.
It's okay. We will take it the right away.
My beautiful sisters. Yes, sir. It's actually one of my cars.
Wait. This is one of your cars.
Yes.
That means you have many cars.
My dear, the Lord has been good to us.
Hey, my brother
Come,
is
let's
not
go
a
inside, it's
wealthy
raining.
man.
No.
Our brother, please operation.
Biko, let's go inside.
You see, this villagers, they will know that we have arrived.
Yes, sir.
Hope you're enjoying your food.
Oh, yes.
Cook it. That will you enjoy.
You guys are familiar with that land and exclusive condition, right?
Yes. Papa's largest land. We even want to talk to you about it.
Okay. What is it you want to talk about?
You know, as the first son, the land automatically belongs to you. Okay. But there's something we need to tell you about it. Some people are coming to price the land. I mean, a lot of people are interested in buying the land. Yes.
If you see the big people, rich men that are coming for that land, we don't trust your sisters now. We made a good deal from one of them. I just told the person that you soon come and then you sell the land and then give us our cut.
She's right. She's right. We bargained for 10 million naira. You take 6 million. Me and my sister will take 4 million.
Anyways, I do not have any plan of selling the land. We all know the condition of the so-called community primary school, and it's nothing to write home about. As a matter of fact, I saw the dilapidated condition of the school, and I told myself there and then that the children of this community, they deserve better. They deserve a better primary school, something that at least they can go in there and learn. They can go in and actually learn. And I told myself there and then that I have to erect a befitting primary school for the community.
Brother, this is your idea. I don't like it at all. Akoko Gadroma at all. What kind of talk is this? See, brother, I know you are rich. You don't need the money. But I and my sister, we need the money. We need that money to better our life. We have to sell that land though. Because I don't know what you are saying. We have to sell that land so that me and my sister can have a better life. If you don't need the money, no problem. But we need the money. This one is a primary school. I don't understand. Are you a politician?
Primary school? Primary school? What is this now? It's not fair.
Anyways, the land is not for sale, and that is final. As a matter of fact, keep your buyers out of that land, because anybody I catch trespassing will be arrested.
But this is not here.
Listen, if you both need money, yeah, you can bring your business ideas and I will fund it. Or better still, you come and work for me in my company. I promise I will pay you ×3 of what you're supposed to earn. So you can have enough money to take care of yourselves.
But I can't believe you're saying this. I hope you're, because you're just sounding selfish, brother. You're sounding selfish.
Sorry about the delay. I was on the phone with my friend.
Oh no, it's fine. I'm not upset.
Alright. Here is the sum of 100,000. Use it all to take care of yourself and your little baby.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God bless you for me.
Bless you too. Just make sure your child eats well. Okay?
Thank you very much. I will definitely do that. I'll be leaving now.
Alright. You'll be on your way.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Brother. Here. Brother.
I'm around Amaka.
What was that about?
What was what about?
That thing you just did with Madame Doris.
I don't get.
Brother, we saw you giving Madame Doris money now.
Anyway, if that's the problem, it's not supposed to be anything. Okay, because I gave her money to take care of her little baby. I saw them stranded yesterday. The sight was not good at all. So I decided to help her.
Hey, brother, you are funny. You've not even asked us what we want. Look at us now. Look at your sister. Look at how we look. You've not given us any money. You've not even taken good care of us. And you're here doing for that Christmas, sharing money to everybody. Eh? Brother, is this fair? It's not fair. You name a dog one man.
Let me ask you this question. Please answer me. Are you not for that Christmas?
Jolo miao.
Are you for that Christmas? You go about sharing money in the whole village. What is all this now? The first thing you said when you came back was, I want to build a primary school. I said you're not the government. Now this one. What is this? It's not fair now.
You see, you girls are really funny. But nonetheless, I've got big plans for both of you. So you have nothing to worry about. Okay? That was just a little amount of money. Alright?
Brother, let me ask you one important question. Doesn't she have a man in her life? Eh? What of sisters or relatives or uncles or anything? Wait, are you the one that got her pregnant? Are you the one that got her pregnant? Because I don't understand you. You are here just sharing money to everybody, and when your sisters here, you're not even giving us any money. This is not fair, bro. I'm not happy with you.
God bless you, brother. Answer that question. Are you the one? Are you the one? See, they should leave my brother alone. Everybody should face their doorposts. Please. I cannot share with anybody, Biko.
Wait, is this jealousy that I feel? Are you girls jealous? Listen, like I've already told you both, I've got big plans for both of you. You've got nothing to worry about. Okay? Nothing to worry, absolutely nothing to worry about. Relax. All will be well.
We have just said our own, no. Stop sharing money anyhow.
If I see anybody here, I'll break their leg. I'll break their leg.
See, brother, I can fight. I will break.
Me, I will just break their leg.
Relax.
You are just here giving people money.
I don't define you since. I don't waka define you since.
Why you define me? What do you want use me do? On a normal, my papa you dey always dey come see. So now when he don't die, why are you looking for me?
I know say our papa don't die, but now you I find come. I want make we reopen that our casket shop. You don't tell who now that shop don't dey close, and I don't like as it dey close like that. We open them.
It be like say you don't dey mad. You expect me, a graduate of engineering, second class upper, make I go dey sell caskets? You well? You know see better company, Chevron, oil, better gang company where I go work na casket I go do. Oga, come on for this place. It be like say you don't dey hide, dey smoke. It be like say as I go school, come back, you no get sense again, you dey forget yourself. Make I go sell casket, make I open my papa's shop. Me, Chica. As I gang like make I sell coffee where they put dead body. Nowhere.
My king, your meal is ready.
What did you prepare?
Your favorite, my king.
What did you prepare?
Jollof rice and fried chicken.
You see how dumb you are? You are so dumb and stupid at the same time. I told you I don't want to eat any food containing oil.
I'm so sorry, my king. I thought you do not just want to eat oil meat yesterday.
You thought?
Yes.
Well, I wanted to feed the dogs with that meal you have prepared with my hard-earned money.
What? To the dogs?
Yes, to the dogs. Now I do not want to see that food in my kitchen.
What is wrong with you?
Why are you being too harsh and angry at me? What has come over you?
No, I should shine my teeth to you because you cooked a very good meal. Are you out of your mind? Huh?
Okay, tell me. Why are you avoiding eating oil meal? You do enjoy it, so what changed?
Get out.
What?
Get out!
Enough of this, your madness!
Hey, enough. Don't you ever shout at me. I will call the guards now to drag you to the dungeon and give you 70 strokes of cane. Don't do that again.
You do no such thing. I am your wife and not your slave, so you should be selective in your choice of words.
Get out!
I will not.
Hey, hold it there.
Amaka, it's really good to see you girls.
She's even laughing. Who is smiling with you? Amaka, who is smiling with this one? Come. My friend, give me the money my brother gave to you. Open your dirty teeth. Who is smiling with you? Bring the money. What's here?
Bring it. He sent us to come and collect it. And we are here.
Yes.
Bring the money.
What's here? Bring the money.
Why would they come for it after gifting it to me?
Look on the confidence.
Hey, it is the audacity for me. Madam, if you don't bring her that money here, right now, me and my sister, we will beat you blue, black, yellow. In fact, we will disfigure your face. Whip that guy, bring the money and you're speaking English for us.
I will not. Your brother gave me that money for my baby. And as you can see, I've used it to start up a business. There's nothing to give again.
Oh no, is it your money?
Amaka,
You have your mother. Is it your brother? Bring the money if I slap you.
Did you just hear her? She will not give us the money.
Ika, where's the money?
Amaka.
Where's the money?
Bring the money.
Where's the money? Bring the money. Bring it. Bring that. Bring the money. Bring that chance. Bring the money. That's the money. Bring the money. Bring the money. Bring the money. What is it now?
Chica, your father has been laid to rest. You have been in this community for quite a while now. Don't you think it's time to start doing something? Get a husband. You are not getting younger. I want you to start thinking ahead.
Uncle, you spoke well halfway and concluded it with rubbish.
More rubbish.
Fine. I'll do something meaningful with my life. I have been searching for a job all over the place, but to no avail. You see that husband talk? Stop him. I don't want to hear him again.
So, what's wrong in you having a husband? On a wine? Are you not a woman?
Now, Mumu, they trust Adams.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Uncle say, it's okay. I'll think of what to do with my life. When I conclude on what I want to do, you'll be the first to know.
If you say so, no problem. I don't want you to think too much. You can as well pick up your father's business. It is relevant that his business keeps moving on. You know, he's the only casket seller in our community. So I need you to think about it. I will be going right now. Please, I want you to take care of yourself. Think about what I have told you. Inugo? Thank you.
Who be this one again?
Please, I need your help.
Help you as how? Come, hope not be waiting at the think, oh.
My time has not yet come. I still have purpose in life. Please help me reach out to my family.
Madam, if you call my company again, come talk nonsense, I go tear you slap. Your family will not afford ordinary coffin to bury you. If they come here, they ask me for help. You don't get respect. What did they walk you? Come on from this place.
Please, I need your help.
And they follow you talk small now, you know what coordinates. Bless I go do you strong thing. Wait. Why people this one? Bless, if this can enter your neck, you go understand. You go. Yeah, she did. Why you dey run? You for wait. I for flog your Remo cord for your neck. You dey fear? Stay now. When they dash casket, where you go? If your family no get money to buy casket, may they go use mat, wrap you throw away. When they disturb my life. If you get mind, come back again. Come here.
I really need your help.
You true come back. Wait, I go do you something now. Think say you get mind, Abi? Get mind, you will fear. It is what it is. Papa, this was not what you wanted for me when you were alive. But I have to do what is right to keep your legacy going on.
Okay, alright. I will process it and I will get back to you, okay? No problem. Alright. Good evening.
Your sisters beat me up.
My sisters? Why?
They said that you asked them to come and take the money that he gave to me.
I don't understand.
They be beating me seriously.
It's okay. I didn't send them to come and do anything to you, but it's okay. I will solve it. Okay? I will take care of it. I will sort it. Sorry about that, yeah?
Amaka! Amara! Amaka! Amaka! Come here.
What is it now? Why are you shouting our name like that? Ogino, did you eat your meat?
Who are you asking that from? Me? Am I the one you're asking that question? What nonsense did you guys do? Huh? A woman trying to get her life together. You people went and beat her up. What nonsense is that?
But is that why you are shouting? And your voice is even high. Brother, she does not deserve your penny. If she wants money, let her go and work for her own money. Yes!
May I ask you a question? How much is it that you have worked for all your life? Tell me!
Brother, wait. I don't understand you. I don't understand you. Did you go to the city to make money for others or for your own family?
Asimo.
I don't understand though. Brother, you have a age.
What is it that you are thinking?
I will not say anything, no. My lips are sealed.
Better. You better seal that your stupid lips. Because the next time you open it and don't say anything reasonable, I will seal it for you forever. What nonsense are you people doing? What is this? Huh? Listen, if this nonsense happen again, you will not get anything tangible from me. Anything tangible from me until I go back to the city. What nonsense?
But are you being serious? Did you just mean what you just said now? You are shouting at us, you're raising your voice because of a stranger. Look at the way you are talking to us. You want to leave us and abandon us and leave because we were trying to save your money for you. Okay.
Hell!
Use jazz
These
on my
village
brother.
people!
Hey!
Brother, you look like you want to slap me. You want to slap
You want to
me,
beat us
me.
because of a stranger, eh? No problem.
No problem.
Look at the way you are just shouting, raising
You are
your
raising
voice.
your voice.
Eh? Because of a stranger. Stranger.
I'm walking now.
Wetin be this one again? Na today I open shop. Wetin happen?
Please, I need you to reach out to my mother.
Na casket I dey sell o. If you need your size, tell me. I go your house, go tell them, make they choose the size wey they want. Aside that, I no dey do any other thing.
Please, it is urgent.
Which one be it is urgent? You go buy casket, abi you no go buy?
You're one of the very few that can see me. That is why you're the only one who can help me. Please, I really need your help.
I don't even understand how this thing happen. How manager they see you? Madam, come on for this place, I beg.
Madam, good one. You finally open shop.
Boy, I not open this shop because of you.
I know, but make a first clean up. Not the way we start work for your lessons. All this medicine, just fix and wear, then put. Madam, no go find me put market for international. I dey come now, I know.
Hey, mother, can I have a word with you?
I have no peace. You may sit.
Thank you. Queen Mother, there is trouble in paradise.
And what is that supposed to mean?
It's my husband. He has really been acting strange for a while now. Coming up with excuses upon excuses. Saying he does not need meal prepared with oil. After which he complained of having sugar in his food. Queen Mother, I don't know where all this are coming from. I am scared. I don't want to lose my marriage. Please, I need your help.
Are you serious about this?
Queen Mother, you know I cannot joke with something like this. Okay. Queen Mother, is it the same treatment my mates got before I got married into this family?
And who told you that? Who told you?
I am sorry, Queen Mother.
I've heard you. I'll talk with my son.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate this. Please. Thank you. Okay.
Amaka, I don't know why you are sitting down here, cracking your head over something you should be looking for solution. What are you thinking about? All you need to bring is how are we going to solve this issue? That's just the problem.
Amara, what can we do? When Bra Collins has totally lost his senses, spending money stupidly in this village, even neglecting his own blood, is it good?
You're right, you know. All the money that our brother has been spending, squandering and giving all the villagers. If our brother give us that money, our life will be better. We will not be looking like this. We know what we will do with that money. But no, he wants to be sharing money to the villagers like he is contesting for one election. As if he's a politician. Instead of him to give us money to better our life on AK and the villagers. Odimma.
My way now, Takita. I'm telling you, I don't understand anything anymore. What do we do now?
I know that our brother has money. Very big money, like a lot of money. All we should do now, we should think on how to get that money from him. What are we going to do? That is it all.
You talk as if you don't know your brother. What if you, after talking to him, he doesn't give you the money?
Then we go for plan B.
Plan B?
Yes, go for plan B.
What's plan B? Okay, well, let's try plan A first.
No problem.
Then you can call him.
No problem. I'm waiting.
What is the problem? You called?
Yes, brother. We have something very important to tell you.
Yes.
I'm listening.
Okay. Brother, see, I want to tell you that we don't like the way you are spending money in this village. In fact, we are here now to tell you that we need our own money. And it's not those small money they used to give us. So no, we need big money. So I'll be able to cater for ourselves with it.
Yes, sir.
And how much are we talking about?
3 million.
Yes, 3 million each. For a start, oh. Yes, maybe later you can increase it. Yeah. Just for a start.
Okay. I don't have any problem with giving you both 3 million each. But you have to at least draft a business plan. Put it in writing. Let me see how you want to spend the 6 million. Then I'll give it to you.
Brother, no. Don't worry about that one. When you give us that money, we'll continue from there.
Yes. My sister is right. She's right.
If I remember correctly, I've given you people more than 3 million each before, and you squandered it. And now you want me to give you again for you to squander. And then you come back asking for another one.
Haba, brother. Give us a break. We are not children now. We are adults. We can handle money. Just give us the money and better our life.
The thing is that you behave like children, as a matter of fact. But then, bring the business plan as I've just said, and then I'll fund it. That's not a problem.
Brother, this idea, I don't like it. It's not fair. All these people you've been giving money, do they come here with business plan? Where is our own difference? I don't like it all.
Brother, we have heard what you said. We will get back to you.
Thank you. Alright.
Thank you.
My beautiful sisters. Where is this one going? What's the matter?
We'll get back to you on the business proposal.
Alright.
So, how are you?
I am fine. Mother, your face is not bright. What is eating you up?
Richard, is there something going on with you?
Something like what?
Your wife spoke to me.
Mother, please stop dragging this issue. My mind is made up. I need a new wife.
What? Have you gone out of your senses? A new wife? What for?
Mother, please. How I choose to run my home is none of your business.
Richard, what will people say? You are a king. What? How will they see you? I mean, how will they feel about you? You are a king. My son, please. Try and keep this thing in between your leg in check. What would they think about you?
Hey, mother. How dare you speak to me like that? Ever since I ascended the throne of my forefathers, no one dare challenge this throne and become victorious. Nobody dares. I have won crowns. I've earned respect for myself amongst the 7 kingdoms of Arumala. Nobody did it. I did it single-handedly, and that is why I am King Richard. But I don't care what you think about. I don't even care what the people think about their king.
Richard, what I'm saying is this. Queen Lizzy has not served her duty as a wife. So tell me, why do you need another wife?
For one to show love for his people, breaking barriers.
What happened to her?
She was scratching all over her body and vomiting blood, just like the other Miss Susan. Before we could tell her, she passed out.
Are you serious? You mean it's the same illness that killed Queen Susan that befell her?
Obviously, my queen.
This is serious.
Chica! Chica!
You again? I not resume this work because of you. What do you want from me?
Your help. I need you to go to my house and speak to my mother.
If I go and speak to your mother, will she buy casket from me?
She will buy.
This is what they say she will buy. I don't want to make she disappoint me. I know they like promise and fail. Oh. One thing when I don't like from my life, and make person disappoint me. That person no go free. Oh. You when you be ghost like this, if you disappoint me, now where I won't find you go? Eh?
She will buy.
Make I trust you. Make we dey go. At least I go use you take open the business. Oh yeah.
Your father wasn't like this. Your father was a very good man.
My friend, keep my father out of your mouth. You dey hear me? No try him again. Lead the way. See, we don't disappear. You dey move faster than your shadow.
Richard, what is the matter with you? I just told you that your wife is in a critical condition, and all you could do is just to sit here without no pity.
Mother, I've told you that I want to take a new wife. She has served her purpose. So she should allow others to serve same purpose for their king.
Wait a minute. Richard, is there anything you are not telling me? What do you mean she has served her purpose? Richard, I just told you that your present wife is experiencing the same ailment that your late wives experienced before they passed on. You don't care. You don't even feel pity, as if you already knew that it's going to happen.
Mother, you are very wise. Very, very wise, and I give it to you. Yes. You taught me that great power comes great responsibilities. And you also taught me that the crown I am wearing comes first before anything. But I also remember that you told me not to make the mistakes that my father did.
Richard, what did you do? You did what?
Madam, sorry about your loss, so sorry, oh. My name na Chica. Chica Orji.
Orji, the casket seller.
Now maybe that. I have officially taken over my father's business, so anybody where won't buy casket, worry no more. See me here.
God punish you. So you want to benefit from my daughter's death?
Let me see trouble, oh. Now no matter you say you go bury your pikin with casket now.
It's you that will enter the casket. You know? Now, leave my house.
You see the rubbish they use me to do. You dey see am?
Please calm down. I promise she's going to buy.
When she go buy the casket?
Who are you talking to? I said please leave my house.
I go come out. Don't too
leave,
much.
you go. Want to come and sell a casket to me? They will bury you with the casket, not my daughter.
What do we do? This is our future we're talking about. If we don't do something, our life will be in jeopardy for a very long time.
Amaka, why are you worrying yourself? I already told you that I got you. Just calm down and watch me. I told you that I have plan B. So allow me to explode my plan B. Just calm down.
Plan B?
Yes.
Tell me now, what's this plan B?
You steal his money.
Amara!
What?
Steal his money?
Why you shouting my name like that? Steal his money now.
How do we even do it? I mean, he does not even bring enough cash. He does not have enough cash in this house.
Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that anytime he's doing any project, he always brings his money? So from there, we can carry that money and run.
Okay.
You see?
Good idea. You're quite sharp.
I've been very sharp. I mean, now my head is working.
Mara. But how do we do it without getting caught? How?
That is why I said I got you. Just relax. Allow me to do my magic. See what I have. I want us to, get all these sleeping pills, give him so that he will just doze off. Sleep off. He will not even know himself.
Yes.
They will just carry the money and run. Yes.
Hey!
Before you know it, we'll come we'll collect the money and run.
Sharp girl.
Yes, now.
Yes.
I get sense.
Hey!
Boy, get wetin enter my head now when I need us to handle right now. It's very urgent. You know, see when my father dey alive, he no do marketing for this casket. We are in a modern world, we are in a digital world. If you no market your business, nobody go know wetin you dey sell. I sure say he no do marketing, that make I no get to the highest level. I want us to go to the heights. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Yes, I want to take this OG casket world to the next level. So I don't print flyers. These flyers, you go distribute and give everybody. Let them know about OG casket world. You dey hear me? Take. You go give these flyers. Anybody where you see for road, you go dey give them one by one. Everybody must know about OG casket world. Boy, are you capable of doing this?
Madam, you suppose not say I'm waiting at the I'm capable.
You are sure?
More than capable, madam.
I trust you.
Make her dey go like this.
Carry on the go.
Handle it.
Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way. May not be about what you've got, but about destiny. You may choose to do this, but maybe destined for nothing. Your calling may be that of help for the good of the people. If you are made a king, if you've got the power, if you were made a king, if you've got the power, oh yeah, after rain comes shine, oh yeah, if we hear the murmur in the oh yeah, after rain comes shine. Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way. May not be about what you've got, but about destiny. You may choose to do this, but maybe destined for another. A calling may be that of help for the good of the people. If you are made a king, if you've got the power, if you are made a king, if you've got the power.
Whatever you do in this life, know that God loves you. In whatever you are going through, understand that the love of God is so much in this life that it can never leave us. There's nothing in this life that can separate us from the love of God. That is why the Bible says in John chapter 3 verse 16, for God so loved the world, he did what? He gave his life for you and I. So today, I encourage all of us, give your life to Christ. Because there is no greater love that a man can give than to lay down his life for his friend. So today, the Bible is being preached to you today. Repent. Repent and give your life to Christ. Because it is in Christ that we find a new creation. All things are passed away. The Bible says in John chapter 3 from verse 16, for God so loved the world that he did what? He gave his life. That whoever believes in him will not perish, but have life everlasting. What I have come to tell you, my brothers and sisters, today, give your life to Christ. Give your life to Christ. The only way you show that you love God is when you give your life to him. Give, my brothers and sisters. So all I am saying, brothers and sisters.
Hey,
my sister.
Since I dey serve for this place, no pastor don't ever preach like this before. I dey see pastors they pass here every day. Nobody don't touch my soul the way you touch my soul just now. This your preaching touch my soul. Oh. You see, make we dey give, Abi. I get one special gift for you.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's good. I'm happy that the word of God has gotten to your heart.
Pastor, you see this casket? I want gift them to you. Very expensive.
I don't understand.
What do you not understand? I see they gift you this to make you appreciate me.
No. Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Chica, CEO of RG Casket. We deliver casket worldwide.
Chica, right?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Sorry?
Are you normal?
I don't understand.
I came to pray. I'm preaching love. That's the only way to show love is for you to give your life to Christ. And you're offering me, are you wishing me death? I don't understand. You're offering me casket. To do what?
You no go die one day. You dey fear to die. Everybody go die one day. And if you die, you go need them.
Do I look like I'm dying now?
Hey.
Are you okay?
Make I tell you something. Calm down. I get spiritual eyes. And as I dey see you, you go soon die.
No, now you go first die. Listen, the Bible says that the kingdom of God suffers violence, and only the violence was taken by force. I take my things by force. I have come to preach by force. Give your life to Christ. That is all. And you're offering me casket. As what now? That I will die tomorrow.
You don't reach like this.
See, look, I'm not normal.
Kukurumiri is working. So we plenty way no normal. Take say now let me no normal. So you know normal too.
I tell you something for this life. If you're normal for this country, you don't survive. So not try am again.
You go air fire. You
be
fake pastor.
You go first go air fire. So wait till you let me finish. As I did young rich, you say I go die tomorrow. And you go first die.
Pastor, look wetin dey talk. This is expensive.
How much for this casket?
4,700,000.
4.7 million. Now I won't give to you.
Now gold. If that one, this one don't sell, we get ash.
Bros, are you okay? See, forget say I know Bible.
Pastor, you no sabi anything. My madam dey give you most expensive casket for our shop. E dey look am less.
Now one of your own family members go first die.
See, make I tell you, I see your type then. I no go give you this expensive.
Nah, you go first get
that
back
cheap
there.
one I go give you. 200,000 naira old.
God bless all of you. I come in the
Thunder go fire you. You go air fire. You go soon die you. Fake pastor. Na fake pastor you be. Na so.
A family member go die tomorrow. You go need am.
Na fake pastor.
You know if it's a big one.
Hey, 2 seconds. He change.
Come, make I give am that one flyer. In case people die tomorrow.
Come bring her come.
Chica, I am begging you, please help me.
Which kind of wahala be this? What did Chica do you?
Please, if you don't help me, someone close to me will die.
But you won't kill someone close to you?
The pain of my demise. He's finding it difficult to accept the fact that I'm gone forever. He's getting depressed and might do something stupid if no one gets to him.
Who be this person to you?
He was supposed to be my husband. We were preparing for our wedding before my sudden death. He has so much more to live for. Please, don't let him die.
But why you carry me go meet your mama? What you doing, mama?
DK has no surviving family. I was his only family. My mother is in the best position to speak for him.
This your mama self na another case, so. The way she dey do. What if she can't fall into depression, can't go die before your man? What you go stop?
She wouldn't. My mother grieves for me. I know it's difficult, but she will eventually move on. But I don't see DK moving on. Please help him.
Okay, if I finish what I do, we'll go do the worker.
Did you see DK? DK!
Where is the baby? Where is my betrothed? Where is she hiding?
DK Bere is gone.
No!
My daughter is gone.
No, Ne. Ebere cannot leave me in this world alone. Ebere is my life. My life is shattered.
DK, have you considered what I am going through at this moment? Take your life. Would Ebere have wanted this for you?
She is the only one. The only one I could call family.
That is the reason you should make me your family now. Stop thinking all this. Come, let's go home and lay my daughter to rest. She has not been at peace ever since her demise. That is why she brought us here through this lady.
I don't understand. Is she alive? Where is she? Where is she?
But I can see her. She told me she loves you so much. She doesn't want you to hurt yourself. She wants you to live life to the fullest. Please don't kill yourself, okay? She loves you. And she also wants you to take care of her mother.
Please, where is she? Tell her I love her so much. Tell her that I cannot live my life without her. I need to see her. Is she here? Please, I want to see her, please. Chimo, my life is finished. Oh, God! Ebere, mo. Ebere! Mama. Thank you so much. Oh, it's okay.
Please, no water. Amara, I need water. Amaka, water, please. Amara, water.
We added it too much. Your pretend is breathing.
Oh, Amara, no, brother. We're only talking now. Brother, we're talking now. Please.
We don't need the money.
Hey!
Brother, please, don't do this to us, brother.
No, this is not happening. Wake me up.
Calm down.
Hey!
Brother, calm down. You were shouting. I think you need to go and tell him. No, wait. Before then, wait. Let's take him to the room.
Brother, let's take
him to his room. Let's take him to his room.
Obode deluga, ifanye metaluga.
Let me carry you.
Obode deluga, obode deluga.
Hey! You have seen my brother, the only light in our house. The star of our life. Hey! People come up, they have killed my friend. Hey! What I said,
I don't understand anything. What I said? Say they killed him. They killed him. I told him to stop giving this for money. I told him.
He was sharing money up and down. As if he's a politician.
But let's go.
Yeah, Amaka, you have to go. You have to go to the new owner. Tell him that they will know that we just came back. We met our brother in the room. We don't know what happened to him. Just tell him anything. Just go down from there. Go now. Let me be crying again. Oh no. Yes. Tell him that we came back. We met our brother in the room. He was not moving. We don't know what happened to him. Let me be crying here. Go. Go now. Go, let me continue the crying. Oh no.
Obode deluga, ifanye metaluga. Obode deluga,
because he has money.
another watching Tinosugo. Obode deluga,
we are rich. We now have money. Hard currency. Hey, Amaka, we are going to paint this village red, black, white, blue. We are going to paint this village all the color, even pink, yellow. We have money. We are not big.
So this is the money that Brother Collins wanted to share for those stupid villagers.
Don't mind him. Only
always behaving like a politician.
Hey!
We now have the money.
Ego.
And we are going to use it. And do whatever we want to do.
Hello. Answer me.
I don't understand.
Money
I
call
don't
on me.
Wait.
Remember I was the one that brought this.
I know. But we share it. No, we share it. Hey, money come on. Wait.
That was all my plan. I knew so we can.
Ego, I don't calculate.
Okay. You don't select the one way you want. Come inside now. We get ash, purple. We get one way you go like. You know, so as you talk, get one way go fit you.
That's not why I came. I came here for help.
It's in a wrong place you dey like this now. Because see, come read that. Premium service. Now we render. All these caskets. Now we dey give premium service for here. Here no be help station. They don't write am.
Where's your boss?
Link me up to your family, make I come deliver. See, we get white we wrap it good, most expensive casket. Then be this one with the front. No be where is your boss with the send. I'm on him. Which one is that? Okay, where you dey go now? You never select anyone. We get white, we get ash, yellow, indigo.
You said this is the wrong place.
For hair, put am well. No be help station.
I know where to find the right person.
Mother, there is an update.
Yeah, me, I dey listen.
Okay. You remember saying something about marketing our business in a global standard?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. And my church is having an annual Thanksgiving on Sunday.
Okay.
And my pastor urged everyone to bring what their business, the best of their business. And I think it's good we market our business in church on Sunday.
Boy. You're very smart.
Thank
You see, you have what it takes to walk under my umbrella. You see that your church was storming there on Sunday. They go hear am. Orgy casket to the world.
Limited services.
Take this money, use and buy bread as they go house.
Thank you, man.
You are unable to leave this world because of what you have in you.
And who are you?
Your guide to eternal life.
And why am I not able to cross over?
I believe you know that already.
In all my days alive, I never imagined how I would die. But this is the worst death anybody could wish for.
You seek for justice.
Yes. Yes, I seek for justice. My heart is in pain. It's raging. I need justice for what my sisters did to me.
That's what is keeping you from crossing. You have a week to get yourself in order. Be prepared, I'll come for you.
You have done well. Go to sleep.
Who you find?
Please, I need your help.
Oh God! Now customers are they find, don't be police work. What kind of wahala be this?
Please, you really need to help me.
Please come out for this place, I no go fit help you. They go.
You don't understand. I cannot be able to leave if I don't sort out what is keeping me behind. Please.
Make I ask you one question. When you dey alive, you ever reason say he get one girl where they call Chica, where I need help, where you go fit help?
I didn't know you when I was alive.
Beautiful. I no want to know you too, you be ghost. Make it remain like that.
Please. You need to help me.
Your Highness, you summoned for me.
Yes or no, I summoned for you. I recall the last time we had a conversation, I told you that I need a new wife. How far have you gone about it?
Your Highness, honestly, I thought you must have forgotten about it. I didn't bother searching for anyone. I'm sorry, Your Highness.
You thought I might have forgotten about it? How dare you utter such nonsense in my presence? How dare you? Huh? Am I worse to you a joke?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I promise I will get you a bride as soon as possible. I'm deeply sorry.
Good. I am giving you 48 hours. 48 hours to do the needful.
Consider it done, Your Highness. I will get you a bride. A good one.
Good.
Drink.
Have you done what I told you to do? Wait, you have been in that room before and you haven't seen the condition of our queen.
Yes, I have. What do you expect me to do? The king specifically instructed me to keep that room clean at all times. And I just told you to help me out because I was choked with work. Please don't do or say anything that will jeopardize my work here.
But I don't understand. Why is she kept in there without medication? And the room smells so bad. Is our queen dead or what?
If you ask me, who else will I ask?
Well, the king is interested in getting a new wife, and I have thought wild and I have searched around and deemed it very fit to come to your house because your daughter Nkem is well mannered and I see her as a royal material. So I came to seek your opinion.
Oh no. What happened to his recently married queen?
Oh, that I cannot explain, but you know the king is someone who gets whatever he demands, and this is one of them.
Well, my daughter Nkem will be in the best position to say something on this issue.
There's no problem. Someone had to come.
Nkem? Nkem, oh! Mama! Come on, no, he's here to see you.
Mama, you called?
Yes, Onowu is here to see you.
Greetings, Onowu.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Would you be willing to be the king's wife?
Yeah, go. Come on. Ah! Come on here. Come on for this place. Why you dey disturb me? Na by force? You don't see any other house go na this place. Come out here, Joe.
I need your help, Chica. Please help me.
I say I no go fit help you na by force.
You really need to help me.
You no go come out from this place. I dey come.
Please help me.
Come
back! Come back! Come back and carry that nonsense you brought in my compound.
It's not nonsense. It's a new built, well-designed casket for sale. Don't stop calling it nonsense. It's not a matter of quarrel.
Do I look dead to you? I said go and take that nonsense, that takparakpa you call coffin. Take it out of my compound, or else I'll break your head.
I'm advertising my goods, Ichi. Stop making it look like we are having issues here. It's a new, well-befitted casket. A safe trip to heaven. You might need it.
Boy, do I look dead to you? Go and take that nonsense out of my compound, or else I'll bury you inside.
Ichi, you have to pay me. That casket, I don't come advertise them. If you know that down inside, your wife, your elder son, if you just come and let that inside.
It is you and your family that will be buried in that casket. Go and take it out of my compound.
If you come out from your compound, now 80,000.
You are mad. Boy, I say you are mad. Go and carry that nonsense to drop in my compound. Boy.
Chica! Stop right there.
Why you dey come my name like that? You won't buy casket?
The gods forbid.
Which one be God's forbid? You don't look me up before you come. You don't old finish or you don't get close to your grave.
Oh, so that is your plan for me. You will fail. Look, you and your boy will fail. Stay away from me. You both will even die before my time.
Ichi, make I tell you something. Death is inevitable. Everybody go die one day. No be big deal. What you make it a shot like say they owe you money? What in the sup?
See, I came here to warn you and your boy to stay away from my compound with your casket business. Hi, Ishen Namdi is never interested and will never be interested in buying your casket. Go and sell it to your enemies, not me. Go and sell it to them.
I don't understand what you did talk. What be my offense? What did I do?
See, let me tell you. The offense is that your boy, our boy, came to my compound this early morning to advertise, what did he call? Casket. To advertise casket. Did I ever tell him that I'm interested in casket orientation? I don't need it. Stay away from my compound. Be warned. And I will not take it lightly next time.
Ichi, see. They say prevention is better than cure. You understand? The only thing when I want make you help me do, because I know say very soon you go soon die. As I dey look you don't old finish, you don't dey close to your grave. What you go do for me be say, before you go die, let me know. Make your family no go buy casket for another place, go carry my money, go somewhere else. Because I get one fine casket where they use gold make. Inside the casket, it gets spring bed and accidents where go cool your body when you die. So Biko, before you die, call me, say you go soon die, you make a rush, give you the casket, I don't make my money lost. They hear me?
Just be warned.
Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way.
I like this
Might
my
not
boy,
be
sabi
about
business.
what you've got,
Now, so
but
then, when you
about
dey advertise the casket,
destiny.
they go.
You may choose to do this, but maybe destined for another. Your calling may be that of help for the good of the people. If you are made a king, if you've got the power, if you
By the time I step out, these useless girls in this village, they will know that Amaka means I have arrived. Amaka neti. We're fine. They will sleep into depression. I will show them Pepe. I will show them Shege in this village. See how beautiful it is.
Why did you? Why? Why did you kill me? Why?
What's wrong? What happened? Why are you screaming? What happened to you? What happened?
I saw him. I saw Brad Collins. He was standing here. He was here.
I don't understand. Are you okay?
I saw him. I saw him.
Brad Collins is dead. Calm down. Nobody's here.
I saw him. He was here.
Just calm
He
down.
was here. He was here.
Nobody is here. He is dead. You didn't see anybody.
I didn't see anybody.
Okay, calm down. I know it will be hard for you to get through this, but you have to try because I am trying, okay? Just calm down. I think you need some rest. You have to go inside and rest. Nobody is here. I'm not seeing anybody. Nobody is here. Just calm down.
You didn't see him. Oh.
Okay. Nobody is here. Nobody is just.
Nobody
is here. Just take the drink and go inside.
Boy, so you truly give Casket to Ichenami?
Madam, no be only am. I even give some people made a come patronize us. No say na quality they say.
You're doing very well. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
No wonder my father took you very close to him when he was alive.
Yes, indeed. Well, that reminds me. Have you been receiving any strange visitation from any ghost?
You said the same too.
That is stubborn, whatever. Bless him, matter serious.
They go get money to buy casket. That is the issue.
But you can't tell now. You guys find out.
Don't worry, I'll go reason with them. I'll phone and talk. Go buy food for me. I'm hungry.
What do you want, chop?
Anything where you buy, I'll go chop. Let me select.
Your Highness, you demanded for a wife. Behold, you came better off with your son.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
I like what I'm saying. She is so beautiful.
Sure, she is.
Well, I know I can always count on you, anytime, any day. This one you've done, I shall reward you. I shall reward you immensely.
No, where did they go? What do you want though? Turn around.
Sit down. Hi. Oh no. You've done so well. Oh no, we'll take her home. This is really good. Mother. This is my newfound bride. Isn't she beautiful? Anyway, I will take this to be yes. Oh no, we'll take her home. Okay.
Your Highness.
Okay, Marco. Go home, I will come and see your kinsmen.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Young lady, if you value your life, I mean if your life is precious to you, stay away from this palace. I am not telling you this because I hate you. It's for your own good. Erase the thought of becoming queen and live your life to the fullest. Okay, you may leave. Thank you.
Mama.
Yes. What is wrong? Since you came back from the palace, you've not told me how your meeting with the king went.
It went well, Mama.
Okay. I am not a baby. From your countenance and response, I know all is not well. My daughter, tell me what happened.
Mama.
My daughter.
The king likes me. He really wants to marry me, but the queen mother, she threatened me not to come anywhere close to the palace for my own good.
What? Why?
I have no idea. She sounded really serious. Mama, I think she doesn't like me.
Ty, you know what? The king's third wife had a strong relationship with the queen mother. And that was why he got Queen Lizzy married to his son. I think that's the reason why.
Then if that's the reason, I have to stand my ground. Yes, because the king assured me that everything will be fine, and I believe him. I have to
That's
stand
the
my
spirit,
ground.
my daughter. You see, we are not talking. That's the spirit.
Thank you.
You know what? Go inside and rest, eh?
Thank you, Mama.
Just relax yourself. Have
Thank
a nice rest, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, my daughter. She's a woman of your time. Don't be afraid of her. If she talk, challenge her.
Thank God say you come. I be want summon your spirit. How you there now?
I need your help.
Guy, the way they always dey talk, I need your help, and you they give me poverty vibes. They do like say una poor, but una get money. Anyone I no want use my services.
That's not why I came. I do really need your help.
But you need my help. The very selfish ghost. They can tell you. You want make I help you, but you don't want to answer my request. If you not come out for this place, I go pluck you and flog mark put for your body. Or you come out for here and say Papo.
It's okay. I am sorry. I'll do whatever you want.
One thing I want to say, your burial services, everything concerning the burial, you go hand them over to me, make I do them. I go give you now at affordable price. And I don't go spend too much.
Deal. That's not a problem. Yes.
So what if that way you see what make I do for you again?
Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way.
Justice you shall get.
Might not be about what you've got, but about destiny. You may choose to do this, but maybe destined for another. Your calling may be that of help for the good of the people. If you were made a king, if you've got the power, if you were made a king, if you've got the power. Oh, yes.
Hey, where you? Stop there.
And who are you to tell us to stop?
The person see una they go think say una be better people. Say una no go feel hot fly. Say una dey fear cockroach, but you are a murderer. Una be killers.
Are you mad? No, are you okay? Is that how you behave? So you see people walking on the road and you start harassing them?
What's going on here?
I don't understand what this idiot is saying.
I never even talk. You don't they call me idiot. If I can't put my mouth, what you una go do?
What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
What you make una kill una brother?
Wait. You have the audacity to stop us and the temerity to ask us that rubbish question. Our own brother, you're accusing us of killing our own brother. Eh? Where did you get that information from?
Directly from the horse's mouth.
Hey. Wait. You mean our brother told you all this?
Bam. Remind me who you are again.
My name na Chica. Daughter of the late Orgy. CEO of Orgy Casket World. Your mind don't reach ground, Abi?
Chica, whatever you call yourself. Hope you can defend this thing you just said, though.
Yes, so.
Because I will not spare you. I will not spare you. How dare you?
Defend it, oh.
Wait, this different one at the talk. You won't carry me go court. I dey ready you. Yes, bring your phone. Make I give you my number. I dey monkey. I know they shake. Come collect the number.
Let's go.
Killers. Murderers now na be.
When the police come for you now, you be shaking.
We must go that court.
Let's go.
You see that court, we must
We
go.
must go.
Let's
go.
You go. You. Killers! See how them be numpama. Murderers! Killers! Wicked souls!
Chica, the daughter of the late casket seller, accused you both of killing your brother. Is she insane? See, that girl's nonchalant attitude is becoming unbearable in this kingdom. Huh? What nonsense? Huh? She will want to force people to buy coffin as if coffin is a daily consumption. Now it has come to accusing people. Please do sit down.
Oh no. We are not here to sit. Please. We have made up our mind to take that girl to the police station. I, for one, will not take that rubbish at all. That girl has beaten more than she can chew. We have made up our mind to lock that girl in the police station. She has really pinched my soul. And I, for one, will not take that rubbish from her. We are going to lock her up and throw away the key to the dungeon. No. What kind of rubbish is that? Eh? If she tried this rubbish she did today again, we will not take it lightly with her.
Oh, no, it hasn't gotten to that, okay? I will personally handle this, okay? I will call her to order and ensure she comes around to apologize to the both of you.
Oh no, you better do. Please. This thing is getting out of hand. Yes, sir. It's not making sense anymore. At all. Please. Anyways, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Use this one and bipolar. Eh?
Oh. You brought an envelope for no.
Yeah.
My God will bless you. And God will give you the fortitude to bear your brother's trust. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be on our way. But please, we hope to get a good response from you. Okay? Please, just help us to talk to that girl. She's going crazy. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What kind of rubbish is that?
Oh. I brought envelope for you.
Mother, what did you tell Nkemi?
Who is Nkemi?
Nkemi is my wife-to-be. What did you tell her?
What did she tell you I told her?
Mother, issuing threats to my fiancé is something I cannot condone. Note, I will not take it. If you have a problem with her, please dish it out with me and not with her. She is the future queen of this kingdom. Please stay away from her. If this happens again, I will not let it slide.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Richard. Do the life of those ladies matter to you at all?
Oh, Mother. My matrimony shouldn't be your concern. It shouldn't be your business. This is the last warning.
My friend, you don't mean it. So very soon you become the Lolo of this great kingdom.
Yes, my friend. You know, the king has shown 101% interest in me. And the way he flocks around me, one would think that he's still a bachelor. You would think that he has never been shown love by a woman before.
Wow. This is so incredible. I'm so happy for you, my friend.
Thank you.
Please, when you get there, don't forget me. You know your friend, right?
You know I can never forget you now. You're my best pal. Okay, see, once I become the queen, the Lolo of this entire kingdom, I will invite you over and make you the general head of the meeting.
Wow.
In that way, we can get to gist and gossip all the time.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
Come, tell me about the palace.
Ebuka, this guy does the vroom. Wetin dey make you in a hurry?
Ah boy, my uncle is critically sick as I'm talking to you now.
Hey, no be that your uncle, Japheth?
Yes, so.
See the done.
Guy, as I'm talking to you now, he can't talk. He can't move his body.
Hey.
See, you know what? I have to run along so that I can come and get him some drugs, okay?
Okay.
Let me go.
Well, no need for that drug. He don't die. Bring her come. 20% discount I go give you. My casket will enter and well.
Now your own I go die.
I bet, you know, if you don't die this night, press him. May die fast. Fruit will don't run. If it is or no, which casket do you want to buy? Based on your prestige and this one will fit you very well. Based on
You won't be out of your senses. It is your father you want to rebury. By the way, where is your sister? She's the one I've come to see.
My madam no do. What's happened? Hope there's no problem.
There is a very big problem. Anyway, hence she's not here. Let me deliver the message. There's a particular family she accused of killing their brother. Eh? If not for my intervention, they would have taken this particular case higher than necessary. See, you had better warn her to desist from this attitude. Tell her I said she should stay very clear from that family. Otherwise, she might not contain what she will see.
Alright, don't know, I've heard you. But you can see bring business for us. Me and
Come,
my
get
mother.
down. Shut up.
Abu, any better?
I agree to madam. Hey, I can't find you, but I know say you go there for us. Market with all this period too, but to know who can find you for sure.
He come for bookings.
No, he say they accuse one family, say they kill their brother. So he say their matter don't reach and make you stop. If not, the matter go pass the way it is.
Not mine now. Any other news?
No. Business just do, but by the grace of God, we go push on.
I hope you lock my shop before you come.
I lock him. But that man never bring that this thing come for that casket design we want put. I think they just the wait us now.
No, they go.
Mama, sit down. Guess.
What is it?
Mama, just guess.
No, I'm not good at guessing.
Mama, just say it. The king just informed me that we will be getting married on his birthday, Mama.
Really?
Yes. And his birthday is this weekend. Hey! I can't wait.
But he has not come to see me in person.
Mama, are you expecting the king, the Igwe of this kingdom, to come here and see you? No, now. It's not possible. You have to go to the palace and see him.
He has not invited me. He has not. Where can I just start going? He should invite me.
Mama, don't worry. I'll tell him to invite you. But for now, Mama, I am super happy that I and Kem will soon be the Lolo, the queen of this community.
I mean that I is going to be a mother-in-law to the king. So, mother-in-law to the king of this kingdom.
Lolo, Kem. Lolo, the queen of the whole kingdom.
Where you go?
I don't understand.
You again. What is it? You go confess? Are you mad? You go confess your atrocities?
Wait, you're carrying king for us. For us.
You kill your brother, you go confess? I go flog you.
Do you know? No, see my body. I will not take this anymore. Oh no, see my body. See on my body.
I thought you said you had everything under control. You see that girl?
You see that girl that calls herself Chica? I will lock her and throw away the key into the dungeon where nobody will see the key. Look at what she done to my body. Look at my beautiful skin. Oh no, see, Negodu alone, see my body. Oh no, see now with my steez and my composure. This girl beat us to pieces. Ah!
Wait. Are you telling me Chica flogged you people like children? This is madness! Madness! What rubbish? So upon all my warnings, this girl went ahead to put her hands in my eyes. That's no problem. I must deal with her. I will deal with her so mercilessly.
Oh no, flog is an understatement. If you see what this girl did to us, this girl beat us, she embarrassed us, she rolled us on the floor. If you see what like
it's okay, I've heard you. Hey. I promise I will handle her. I will handle her my own way. Okay? Please, you can go now.
Do something. Because if I start my own now, nobody should own me. If I start my own now, what I will do to that girl?
I have seen that this madness has eaten deep into you. Have I not warned you to stay clear of Amaka and Amara? See, you went ahead to flog them mercilessly. Why?
For killing their brother, they deserve worse.
How did you know? Were you there? Why judge them wrongly, for God's sake? Why?
They say what an elder sees while sitting, a child cannot see it, even if it climbs the highest mountain.
Chibo, come. Chica, are you indirectly calling me a child? Are you? I see. I will ensure I close down your shop. And Igwe must say about all your atrocities in this kingdom.
Concerning the Igwe you just mentioned now, I hear say again one big party when he wants to celebrate, where they come up very soon. I'll go take their life and direct.
And I'll be waiting. Let me see you there. Madness.
Madman.
Richard.
Oh, mother.
I have searched the entire palace and I can't find your wife. Queen Lizzy. I can't find her. Where is she?
Why are you searching for her?
Why won't I? This is exactly the same way other queens in this palace disappeared without trace. And you have to know this. Queen Lizzy is like a family to me. Her matter is of great concern to me. I will not take it easy.
Well, I'm sorry to inform you that I have flown her out of the country for proper treatment.
What? Richard, you did what? Without my knowledge?
Mother! She is my wife. And I need no approval from anyone to do whatever I want to do with my own wife. I am the king. Well, not at the moment. Her health is critical right now, but don't worry. Whenever I hear positive news, I will let you know.
Which one be this again now? Waiting now.
You are giving up on me already. Please, you need to keep fighting for me.
Make I do waiting. So my business where they want shut down, no concern you, Abi. You're a very selfish person. You be less than this your selfishness. I make them kill you in the first place. Day your day, oh. Day your day, make I day my day. No, they disturb me. Or they follow me. What is this? What kind your own, I beg?
Please.
Oh, please me, I beg.
Hello. Ebuka, how are you?
Hey, Amara. I'm fine. What's up?
I'm good. You don't look good to me. You look like you've not eaten all day. Just hop in. Let me take you to where you can eat because I don't like the way you're looking. You look so hungry and stressed.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
I was not talking to you, stupid, ugly, useless brat. I was not referring to you. I was only talking to the handsome man you kept under the hot sun.
Ebuka, what's the meaning of this rubbish this girl is saying?
You know what, Ngos? Just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. What is she saying?
Ebuka, are you coming in or not? Because I can remember vividly when you came to my late brother for help. You came to him to ask him money for business. I can give you the money. Just hop in, let's go and eat. We can talk about it.
Wait, are you serious?
I am very serious. Just come in.
You mean you can give me that money? Wow.
No.
Ngozi, see, just calm down. No. Just calm down. Just go home. I will come and see you later in the evening.
Are you insane? Don't tell me you are literally following this girl because of what?
Hey, what?
Under my nose?
Wait, Ngozi, you are taking this too far. Just calm down. I said I will come and see you later in the evening. We are talking about money here.
What do you have to offer him? Nothing. You this mumu girl. You're suffering somebody's son.
Don't listen to her. I love you so much.
I love you too, but I need this money, okay? Don't worry. I will buy you ice cream. I will buy you everything that you need. Later we'll see.
Ebuka, please don't do this to me. I love you. Don't do this. Please,
don't worry now. You're talking about money. You're talking about love. Later we need money to spice up this love.
Please, okay? I love you. Please.
I love you too.
Ebuka, I love you.
I love you. You know what? We need money to spice up this love, okay?
Ebuka, please don't do this to me. I love you. Please.
I'm gonna see you later.
Please, I love you. Ngozi, what is it? What is it? Why are you crying?
My friend, I have never been this humiliated my entire life. Could you believe? Because of money, my Ebuka, my own Ebuka, left me and followed another woman.
Ebuka left. Which woman is it, please?
Is it not that stupid Amara? The one that lost her brother that came back from this city.
Amara? I know Amara now. Yes. Amara snatched Ebuka from you with whose money? Which money? Which time did Amara become rich in this village?
You know, ever since the death of her brother, she and her sister inherited the wealth of their brother. And ever since then, she has been growing wings. She has been doing a lot of things to me.
I see. Really? Don't worry. You worry yourself too much. Have you forgotten who is seated right beside you? Your friend here will soon become the Lolo, the queen of the entire kingdom. You don't have anything to worry about. By the time I become the queen, I will deal with them. So
are you serious?
Of course. No one messes with my best friend and goes scot-free. See, you know, I will not just be the queen. By the time I become the queen, I will have money and I will have power. And you know that power controls me.
Yes, I know.
So relax. I will mess them up in this
Please, village. My friend, do anything. I will really be grateful. Please, mess her up. You see that, Amara? Deal with her.
Don't worry yourself.
Deal with her very well.
I am going to
make sure you deal with her.
Exactly that.
Deal with
relax.
Her.
So smile. Smile to the queen of the community.
Don't worry.
All hail the lion! All hail the lion! All hail the lawmaker! All hail the king of kings! And finally, all hail King Richard I of Human Kingdom! And his beautiful bride! Enough!
Who are these morons? And what are they doing in my palace?
Igwe, calm down your pressure. I go warn you, but no panic. I did for you.
Chica, you again? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Relax yourself now. No be problem carry me come. I came here for peace. I hear say our Igwe, they do big party. Now I key into the celebration by bringing this special wedding gift for the royal family.
This is the special wedding gift you came to give me? A casket? A coffin?
You say? What you could that thing? And this is they call Oga. This now my most expensive casket for my shop. You know, she na gold that they engrave am. Eh? I can't give you they look down on her. What in the shop now?
Well, I don't need your expensive gifts. Take these things out of here. Now! Get out!
With all due respect, sir, I am standing under the existing protocol. What did they work you? You no get sense? You know they think? Your brain, the malfunction. If to say I dey sell limousine, they sell G-Wagon, they sell Prado, and I give them to you, you no go collect them, you go even dash me chief person title. You know how much they sell this casket? This casket is very expensive. It's equivalent to the price of a G-Wagon in the market. Google them. Sure. I know they take this thing play. Oh.
Enough. Enough of this. Have you gone nuts? Are you crazy? Now listen to me. This is not a request. It is an order. An executive order, alright? Get this coffin and your morons out of my palace now!
Igwe, this casket, you go need them, oh. And the way they look you, you know, say I get spiritual eyes where I take the see. It be like say you go soon die. No, it be like say na Lolo go die next too. Because you dey obese, you be like who dey suffer diabetes. It be like say na you go die next. And wetin dey pay me be say una go need this casket because by the time una go die now, una go dey find emergency casket. That time e go don too late. Because that time the price of this casket go don go high because dollar don go up. So make una keep this casket for corner. Kpake am now as before e too late oh.
God! God! Come and get this moron out of front
for this place.
Chica, are you mad?
Your Majesty, make I tell you something. Na small thing dey quick vex me. And I know they like people wey know their appreciate. I mean, look myself less, carry this casket come give you. On a normal, na governors go dey give this, ministers, president. See casket wey dey anyway. Boy, since you know appreciation, I make we dey go now.
Get out!
No worry, go be for you. You go find me because I know say you go soon die.
I said,
make we dey
get
go.
out! Get out! Get out!
What nonsense! What insolence! Who does that fool think she is? To come to my palace and interrupt my own ceremony?
Your Highness, please do not wonder over these little girls' issues. Ever since she came back to this village, her madness is becoming apparent. Her late father was not like this. I wonder where she's getting all these stupid inspirations from.
She better take her stupidity out of my palace. Because the next time she tries this, I am going to put her beneath the earth.
Biko, please. You know she's still a small girl growing up. Please, temper justice with mercy, Biko. Oh?
Then you had better call her to order. Her madness is becoming unbearable. All in the name of marketing her product. If she doesn't take time, she will have it the hard way.
Okay. Igwe, you are letting the madness done by Chica get to you. Let us go back to the ceremony and enjoy ourselves. After all, she's a low class. Don't let her drag it to her level.
Your Highness, Iche is right. You have to get back to the party. These girls need to get issues shouldn't disrupt our happiness, you know. Please let us marry, please. This is your day.
It's alright. It's alright.
What do you want? I want to help you.
I need your help.
No be you be Queen Richard's wife. The one where they marry each day.
Yes. That is why I need your help.
I no fit help you, na my madam. Wait, make her carry you go. But how I want to carry you go meet my madam now? Anyhow, I want to do and follow me.
Please, you really need to help me. I need justice. That's the only way I can cross over to the afterlife. My sisters need to pay for what they have done to me. Please help me.
Waka fast. You get person who go deliver us Casket. Madam, I greet you.
Why you come out from shop, boy?
You get one woman where she fair come say she won't see you.
Which woman?
See her here. She said she won't see you.
I came here before her, so you need to sort me out first. Please.
Boy. Madam. How many people buy coffee today?
Nah, nobody don't do, but we're in a ref for shop today, sir.
And ghosts, they disturb us up and down, they pursue us. And to Kukuma close the shop now. Just become spirit police. How you see them?
You better we go to collect monthly salary.
You? Who are you? Why are you dressed like a queen?
Because I was a queen. My name was Queen Elizabeth, the third wife of King Richard.
Which Richard? When we just married, which day here?
Yes.
Things they happen, no. You, I go help you solve your case. But you go promise me, say you go buy my most expensive casket for your burial.
I promise.
You promise?
I promise I will buy it.
What would they go?
Why are you leaving me here? Chica!
You are Amara, right?
No.
So where is she?
And who's asking?
You will address your things properly. Where is Amara? And who is looking for me? Yes?
Oh,
How may I help you?
You are the fool who snatched my friend's man away, right?
So you came to fight for her?
Oh, no, come on. I am a queen. I am royalty. I don't fight with pigs like you. Instead, I will put you where you rightfully belong.
Amara, you think you have money, right? You see, today, you put that money into good use.
Will you shut that thing you called mouth?
You couldn't fight for yourself and you send this thing to my house. Okay? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Did you just
no,
do you realize I'm your queen? Attack her! Immediately! Attack her! Oh, Amara, you left to eat her. Oh, my queen! Beat her! Beat her! She's a fellow woman. My queen! Beat her!
My king.
And where do you think you're coming from?
Nowhere serious, my king. I just took a stroll around the kingdom.
You took a stroll around the kingdom without informing me. You left this palace without even informing anyone in this palace. Now listen to me. Let this be the first and last you are going to live here without my consent. I understood.
Yes, my king.
Sorry. This thing is painful. Hi. But Amara, how did you get yourself in the queen's trap in the first place? How? I don't know. It was the guy I collected from Ngozi. I don't know that this will happen. I don't know that Ike will come for me. Yeah! Ebuka, that one. From Ngozi. Again, is it? Why? What do you mean, why? I have money now. We have money. Yes, I thought maybe having money, I can get whatever I want. Anything gettable, I can get it.
Okay.
I have money. I can get any man, anybody, whatever I want to get.
Okay.
Oh, you have money. Why? Now see where your money challenge has landed you. A hot slap on your face. You need to be very careful. Very careful who you choose your battle with. If not, one day they will kill you. Why are you shouting? Instead of you to go and get hot water and rag and press me, you are here talking rubbish. Ordinary slap.
Hey Amara, how are you?
Don't you dare touch me. Are you mad?
Wait. Why are you so aggressive? What did I do wrong?
Go and follow your stupid Amara. We are done.
Come on, wait. What is it? Is it because of what happened the other day? See, okay, I'm sorry. As for Amara, I have nothing to do with her. We are just friends, that's all.
Look, Ebuka, I'm warning you for the last time. The next time you will stop me here and say something stupid like this, I'm going to do something nasty to you. Idiot.
Ngozi?
Babe! You can't just walk out of me like this. Amara! Ebuka, your darling is here. Are you the one backing like this? Mark, how are you?
What is it? What is it now? Why are you here?
Good afternoon.
Hold your poor greetings. I don't need it.
Okay. I want to see Amara.
As who? What for?
I said I want to see Amara.
Why now? Why? Tell me why. You're wasting my time. I was busy inside. Wait, oh. Are you not Ngozi's boyfriend?
Point of correction. I'm not dating Ngozi. We are just friends.
Okay. Oh yeah, get out. Get lost and go and meet your friend. Don't ever come here again. Do you understand me?
Amaka, I don't understand. Why are you asking me to leave? I only said I am not Ngozi's boyfriend.
Yeah, Buka, I will tear you slap now. I said you should get out from this place. What is it? What do you want with my sister?
Okay, fine. Your sister promised me some money that I want to use for your business. So please, can I see her?
Don't you see that you are stupid? A fool Fudikage. See how stupid you are. You came here to ask my sister, a woman, for money. Get out. The next time you come to my compound, I will slap you. I'm not playing no one. Just go and say, I will slap your face. Leave the eyes, sir.
Amaka.
Rubbish.
But what did they owe you now? First, make you deliver the casket. The people want to bam the body. You they waste time. Too fast, I beg.
Knock.
Welcome. Oh. How body now?
I did fine, oh. Thank you.
Chica, how is business?
You dey on hand now.
Please, Chica. I say, let me come and tell you. You know me and my family, we no follow for people where they hold your business. I'm here to specially invite you for my wedding.
Congratulations. When be the wedding?
Thank you. In 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks.
Everything you need to know is in here.
Don't worry, I go show.
I trust you.
So finally, AGK decided to marry you. You know, so I be the one that, what did they make this man don't want to marry you as fine as you are?
Now you remain. Chica, now you remain. Try and find yourself your own man. You need to come out of this loneliness. Aren't you tired?
No, it's here. You can't go. I won't get one important call I won't make.
But you never reach like that. You dey pursue me.
I be they make the call before you come now. I know on a private call. I don't make you there here listen to the call. They go.
Okay, no problem. But please, hold on to this invitation. I don't want to miss you.
I go come.
All right then.
Bye.
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 What are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here? Or have you come to unleash more of your stupidity on me?
Oh no, you're an elderly man. That is why I have personally come to speak to you.
So you know I'm an elderly man. And on countless times you have insulted me. Even as the Olo of this community.
Oh no, you may not like my methods. But I've always stood by the truth. You don't ever ask what to kill your brother.
What is the essence asking? People die on a daily basis. So why should I ask what killed him? Tell me.
I don't expect the soul of the dead to come to me for help. Your brother Collins was murdered by his sisters. He died of excess drugs in his system. His sisters killed him over his money. You knew Collins before he died. He was never into drugs. Why would excess drugs be found in his system? Why?
Wait. Chica, are you saying that Collins' spirits do appear to you?
Yes. If I delay, I'm going to run autopsy test for him to see if I'm right or wrong. His soul is restless. His soul needs help. His soul has refused to rest. He is seeking for justice. And justice he must get.
I've come to discuss something very important with you girls, and I need a sincere answer.
Important? Oh no, what is it? Tell us.
Okay. What do you think killed your brother?
Oh no, what kind of question is that? We already told you and everybody in this village that our brother died in his sleep. What do you want us to say?
Oh no.
And what do you think could lead to his death while sleeping?
Oh no. If there was something wrong, we would have known, Abi. Yes. Is there something wrong?
It's okay, at this point I think we have to conduct an autopsy test to know why he died.
Oh no, why? Oh no, our brother will be buried anytime soon. What's the essence of this test?
Yes, no, my sister is right. We don't need it.
It's okay, you both are mandated to stay within the vicinity of this kingdom. You don't travel out until the autopsy test is out. Have I made myself clear?
Oh no, it's not clear.
Oh, are you trying to say we are under hostage in our own house?
After the test, I will get back to you.
Oh.
That is an instruction. Thank you.
Amaka, we really have to do something fast. Because this result will expose us. What are we going to do? I'm afraid.
Then what do you suggest we do? Eh?
Amaka, I think we should go and meet Ono. Yes, we should go and meet him. Tell him that we need to carry the autopsy ourselves. Yes, we have money. We can get any doctor of our choice to carry out the autopsy.
You are correct though. It's a good idea. But will it work?
Of course it will work. We have money. We can get any doctor we want to get. But the point is, who is even instigating this autopsy stuff? Eh?
See, I just hope it's not that stupid Chica.
If I catch that girl, if I catch that Chica girl, what I will do to her? Wait, let me just leave Chica first. But we have a very big problem. Eh? Because if they go for this autopsy now and they find out the result, what are we going to do? We're in big trouble.
Finished though.
We have to stop them.
We have to
go and meet to know.
We have to
go and meet to know. Yes, that is what we do.
Yeah, greetings. Thought I asked you girls to hold on until I sent for you.
Yes, actually you did. But we wanted to see you. It's very, very important.
It's okay. Sit.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So about yes, what is it?
Yes. Oh no. We came to ask you if we can handle the autopsy ourselves. Yes, I mean we have the money to, get any doctor of our choice. Not all these quack doctors everywhere. So please, can we?
It's okay, never mind. The autopsy will be safe in my hands. I will properly take care of that.
But oh no, you know we still have the right to know who is in charge of performing that test.
Yes.
Because if you can remember, the man in question is our brother, and we are the only family he has. Eh?
Yes, I am fully aware you are the only family. And I also want to tell you that the elders of this kingdom are his family members too. So we've concluded that we will take care of this autopsy ourselves. By the way, we were told that you will resist.
No, who told you so?
Never mind. You have to go home. Don't bother yourselves. When the test result comes out, we will get back to you. Okay? Any other thing?
Is everything all right? Yes. Yeah, I'm fine. Everything is all right. You don't look fine. No, I'm okay. I'm very okay. I'm fine.
Collins, your time is near.
Please, I need a little more time. I'm about to get justice. The people responsible for my death will soon be brought to book. I need a little more time. Please, I promise I'll go with you to the afterlife. Just grant me a little more time.
The Creator grants your appeal.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Did you take my money from my bag? I kept money inside that bag. I kept it for food today. Did you take it?
Bia, this girl, why are you shouting at my ear? Eh? Why are you shouting? See, do not add to my anger. Do not add to my anger. You see here now, I'm thinking about my life. Do not come and complicate my issues.
Amara, please. Answer me that question. Did you or did you not take my money?
If I take the money, what will happen? Yes, I was the one that collected it and I've used everything. I don't have anything on me again. If you need money, go outside and work for it.
Amara! You don't have a penny and you took my money. Money I kept for feeding, Amara. Okay, tell me now. Onyoshi, what are we supposed to do now? How are we supposed to cope today?
This girl, you are stupid though. You are very, very stupid for talking to me like that. Are you mad? See, I am not the cause of your misfortune. No. I am not at all. If you know what is doing you, better go outside and cure your madness. What is wrong with you? Am I the one you're talking to?
You are the cause of my misfortune. You are. Waka. Because if it's not that your stupid plan that got our brother killed, we will not be in this mess right now. You killed our brother.
So you want to put the blame on me, eh? Is it not both of us that planned it?
Me.
Both of us planned it. It was both of us.
It was you.
Put the blame on me. You did it.
You did it.
Both of us did it. See if you talk to me again, I will break your head.
Why?
You can't respect yourself in this house.
Try it.
Respect yourself.
You are the worst elder sister ever.
And you are the worst girl she said.
Hey!
Nonsense. Come and get that here, stupid girl. Idiot. Want to blame me for your misfortune? Rubbish. Come and add to my anger.
Is that something you want to demand for?
Yes, my king.
Spit it out.
I want to seek for a permission to leave the palace for a while.
Where do you want to go?
I just want to go and see my mother.
Your mother? What for?
Nothing much. I just miss her.
Permission denied. Sit your ass there. Sit your ass there. Now! Yeah, sit there and enjoy the luxury of the palace. I don't want to hear that from you once again. I want to make myself clear.
Yes, my king.
Good. I don't want to hear that again. And why are you coughing?
Chica! 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 Hey, stop that nonsense. Why you shock my leg like that? You dey mad? You don't go select your brand for my shop?
When will you attend to me?
Have you selected your casket brand?
I will, but when will you attend to me?
Now me they raise your voice for. Wait oh, you not fear, you they talk to me with so much authority. Eh? I go wipe you with this place, you dey mad. See, on a normal, not be me supposed to solve your problem. I just want one because I love you. So give me some respect, not be me kill you. Make I clear you. Your royalty end as you die, you not get levels again. You dey get pride.
I'm so sorry. Just that I don't have the time in the world.
I don't understand. You not meet queue for here before you come here. Okay, you won't jump queue. Even as you die, you still won't play wayo. You won't do for one night. Madam, it never reach your turn. Allow me to attend to people first before I go attend to you. This girl, you go get pride though. But they do like this. Even as you die, you not even know whether na heaven or hellfire you they go. Make I tell you, na purgatory na you go end.
Chica.
Chica, talk to me right now! I talk her. You dey get pride. But you come out for this place now. Come out for here. Come for here! Come on for this place! Samuel, ghost number 15, come!
You never call me, you never call me.
Hey, shut up for that place. I cannot hear anybody make noise for that place, so now they vex me.
Oh no, I'm worried. Are you sure the doctor is going to come?
Sure. He told me in confidence that he will come. So let's wait for him.
Okay. Because me, I don't understand. He's been wasting time.
He will come. Let's wait for him. By the way, Iche. Excuse me. Oh, he's even the one coming.
He's the one?
The doctor.
Oh, okay.
Speak out. Yeah, hello, Doc.
Good afternoon, Nollywood.
Doctor, good afternoon. How are you doing? We have been waiting, you know.
I'm so sorry, but I will not be able to make it anymore. Something urgent just came up at the hospital, so I won't be able to make it. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. There's no problem. But what about the result in question? We've been waiting. The elders are waiting. So.
Okay. I'm sorry. The result is ready, like I said, and it was discovered that a very large amount of depressant drug, specifically a high amount of benzodiazepines, was found in his system, which resulted to his death.
Drug.
It's okay. Doc, please. But why? Why should he take such drug? Is he sick or something? I want to know why such drug should be found in his system.
Okay. Depressant drugs are mainly meant for those with insomnia that people find it difficult to sleep.
Wait, doctor. You mean that the drug found in our son is a sleeping medicine?
Exactly.
Wait. So finally, Chica is right after all. It's okay, doctor. Thank you so much for the information. We'll get back to you.
I need to rush off now. Thank you.
It's okay, doctor.
Thank you. No.
Finally, Chica is right. Oh. So these girls actually killed their brother.
Wait. So these girls killed their brother just because of money? No. They must be dealt with.
See, we have to assemble every elder in this kingdom. They will know how to treat the situation.
Yes.
With immediate effect.
Yes, they should call the youths so that we know how to treat it. This is bad.
I said, who is there? Anopia? Yeah. Come out here.
Oh no, my elders.
Come out. Where's your sister? Get her from me. Go and bring her. Go. What is this? Ogini. Hey.
your greetings yourself. I'm so disappointed at the both of you. Yes. We are ashamed of you both. Huh?
Very, very ashamed.
So all the allegations labeled against you by Chica is true. So finally you killed your brother. The test results came out and it was found out that your brother died as a result of intake of excess sleeping pills, which was masterminded by the both of you. The consequences for the offense you committed is you will be dragged out to the village square, beaten and stoned to death. Come on, move.
Right now!
You are taking nothing from here.
My dear, we have actually found out the cause of the death of our beloved son, Collins. You were correct after all. As we speak, the culprits are facing the consequences according to the custom and tradition of our land.
Yes.
We decided to seize this opportunity to apologize for thinking that we are insane. And also to appreciate you for at least letting us know this. Thank you so much, my dear.
I've heard you. But he's a debtor. He is owing me money and my money must be paid in full.
Yeah. Chica, what debt are you talking about?
Collins and I had a deal. I helped him solve the case. He promised to buy my most expensive casket, use my pallbearers, and use my limousine for his burial.
Chereo, can't you call? When did you both made this deal?
Before I took the job. He's standing right here. He can confirm it.
Who are you talking about?
Collins.
Anyway, we've heard what you said. Honestly, as to speak, we do not have such amount of money. And the person in question is dead. So what are you talking about? We cannot do anything about this.
My ATM card is still functional. My sisters cannot access it because they do not know the PIN. It's at home under my bed. You go and get it. The PIN is 8883. You can take it to the ATM and collect 5 million. When you do that, I'm sure that will help cover everything.
Wait, no dey whine me. You mean say you get 5 million naira for your account? It don't be now. Let me say, I go increase the casket, the money what they sell my casket.
Chica, are you okay?
Chica, who are you talking to?
Wait, they do business. So you get that kind of money, Collins?
It's okay. No. I'm sure that will help.
You know, it don't help me already. But yeah, make we dey go collect the card.
Which
card? He say he card there somewhere. I go give na the pin. Make we dey go.
We are confused.
Let's go. Not confused. Make we dey go.
What's going on?
Not confused. Come.
Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way. May not be a bad boy you've got, but about destiny.
That pin where you give me now, you sure say na the correct pin? Abi you just talk am because they dey here. No whine me.
It's the correct pin.
You sure?
Yes.
If I find that it no be the correct pin, I go put ukpaka for your casket. You go reincarnate for another place. You no go come earth again.
It is correct.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
If you were made a king, if you've got the power, oh yeah, after rain come shine, oh yeah, if we had the murmuring, oh yeah, after rain come shine, oh yeah.
Yeah, doing this, whatever he wants to do with you, this concussion will knock it off. Drink it.
Oh, Mama. What was he trying to do? I don't know. He wanted to make love to me. Then he started screaming my name 3 times. Mama, ever since that day, I feel he implanted something in my body. Yes, I've been feeling a strange movement right inside my body, Mama.
No idea. You have to be very careful. I have never had a queen was imprisoned in her own palace.
I have no idea. I'm really scared. I don't feel safe anymore.
Calm down. Nothing will happen to you. I promise. Just calm down.
Mama, you're not there with me. You're not there. I managed to sneak out this night, Mama. You're not there. I don't feel safe.
I will visit the palace. I'll be there.
Okay, Mama, I'll be waiting.
Okay. Take care, eh?
Okay, let me be going.
You had the guts to leave this palace last night, even after instructing you never to leave.
I'm sorry, my king. I went to see my mother. She's very sick.
You're a liar. You're a bloody liar. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to keep an eye on her. Make sure she never leaves this palace again. If she does, I am going to behead you and feast the beast in the forest. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
King, what is going on? You never told me I was a prisoner here. Why are you doing this?
Hey. If I hear one more word from you, I am going to hit you with this tusk. Shut up. Inside! Now! And you, make sure she never leaves this palace. Else, you know the consequences, right?
Yes, sir.
Out! I cannot give orders and you flaunt it. Who are you?
Are you ready?
Yes. But I thought my sisters would be here with me.
Oh no, they have taken a different path. More darker and dreaded routes. They have no life in afternoon life. Their souls will be eaten up slowly by the darkness of this world. They brought this upon themselves. Let's leave. We cannot keep the Creator waiting.
My beautiful friend, congratulations, oh, congrats. Happy married life.
Congratulations. So, what's going on? Congratulations, you came to my compound with a casket on my traditional marriage. Chica!
I bring special gift for you now. You know like
God forbid. You did not see any tangible gifts to give me, Chica, your friend. It's a casket. Please leave this compound before my husband and his people get here.
Well, I don't understand. This gift now they say no they tangible. You know how much they sell them? Make I tell you something, you need this casket. If you die, where they go put you? Not be coffin they go put you.
Chica, I'm not going to die. God forbid you will die before me.
He said God forbid. You won't live forever. Your mama and papa live forever. Your ancestors, they live forever.
Please, Chica, start going. Leave. In fact, you're no more needed. You're no more invited to this traditional marriage. Just go. Go.
If you don't want this my casket, then be say you don't want me.
Yes.
I know they go anywhere. If you want make I go, make your husband and the people not come see me. You go give me 1.5 million naira. Then I go.
Chica, I'm not paying any dime. Say.
You say wait.
I will not give
you know the stress when I suffer to carry this casket come. Oh, everybody waiting for you. You think so will they play? Give me the money, make I go.
I'm not giving you shishi.
You say waiting.
I said I'm not going to pay you. Pay you for what?
Wait, come here. You go give me the money. Come here.
I said I'm not going to give you any money. I said I'm not going to give you any money.
Give me the money. Now give me the money.
Okay, no go hold up. Come on. Chica, you should know where and when to take your gifts to. Huh? It is not necessary in such occasions like this.
Oh no, we make with the see truth they talk. What is bad in having a deathbed for free? After all, one day they go still carry plenty money, go buy caskets. So how is having a deathbed as a gift a bad idea?
You should understand that man fears what they do not know. Death is something everyone prays to avoid.
How many people have successfully avoided death? Why are they scared when one day it will surely visit them? What's the essence of kicking it away when it will come?
It's okay, my dear. Listen. I quite understand you.
But you are going about it the wrong way. Come on. The only thing you succeed in doing is scaring people away from you. Just imagine your business. Look at the way people are seeing the whole thing. I urge you to take my advice and see how people will approach your business. Come on.
See, your father was really a very good businessman. It is not just about the business, it is about knowing the craft in it. Oh, I will leave you to think about this thoroughly.
There's nothing to think. I know the craft. All I know say one day everybody go die and they go still use caskets. Not be bad idea say I go give them out as gift. Not be bad idea. No gonna leave me. Now gift I give person, I no keep person. If to say they sell limousine, I carry limousine, give the person a gift. You don't go collect them. So why you no go collect the casket? Not be the same thing. Gift na gift. Okay, enough you.
Chica.
I beg. You gonna leave me.
No. Let's go.
Madam, they say our
Make them they go.
They say our good as bad.
Lay down.
Okay.
I want to make love to you.
Come on, Mikey.
Nkem.
My king, what is it? What are you doing? I thought you were supposed to come to bed and make love to me. What is it?
Hey, how dare you question me? How dare you tell me what to do before I come to make love with my wife? Lie down!
My king!
Let me in. Show you the stuff I'm made of. Show you the stuff I am made of, and you will report everything. Get out! Get out!
For one to show love for his people, breaking barriers others couldn't break. No one can tell how far this can go. You may be the one to gain from me. Some spirits are strong, you can't stop the mind. When you're zero, no man. Ebuchina yeluya, obode deluga, ifanye netaluka ebuluwa, obode deluga, obode deluga.
Are they back?
No, my king.
What do you mean they're not back? Where could they be?
They are yet to return from the task.
they are yet to return from the task. Are you mad? Are you all crazy in this palace? A simple task of tearing the casket shop, and you're telling me they are not back? Huh? This is 5 hours. 5 hours now, and they're nowhere to be found. Where could they be?
I have no idea, my king.
Now go and find them. Find them! Hey, come here, come here. Start from the casket shop. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Run!
How far this can go. You may be the one to gain from me.
What sort of morons are these ones?
You can't stop the mind when you're zero loma.
I have made my choice.
Yeah, my madam, I don't settle.
Not really. But I've told her what I want. As I'm speaking with you now, she's currently on her way to the palace to handle the case.
Okay. How you want to do payment?
She will let you know.
Meet me at the casket shop.
Hey, stop there. What are you looking for?
I won't see the king.
You have an appointment with him?
I go need ticket to see my king again.
Do you have or not?
I no get appointment with the king. But what I want to tell him they very important. If I not tell him that, this village will catch fire.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Oga, the thing no concern you now for the king personal ear.
Come with me.
You don't reach here already.
Hey, are you not the idiot that came here with the caskets on my wedding day and my birthday ceremony?
I not be the idiot.
I know your face, and I can't be wrong about it. My eyes cannot deceive me. Are you not the daughter of late Orji?
You're right. My name is Chica, the daughter of the late Orji, the CEO of Orji Casket. But I am not the idiot you were referring to.
I see. You're trying to play mind games with me. You're only a child. I thought I clearly instructed you not to set your feet in this palace again.
Yes, you did.
So what are you doing here?
Your wife, Queen Lizzy, brought me here.
My wife? Are you sure you're not taking drugs?
I don't do drugs, sir. As we speak, she's standing next to me.
See, I can see you do not have anything to say here. Now leave my palace.
What do you find? Why you they kill people up and down? Why are you killing your wives? Why are you on killing spree? Which power you they look for? You are killing your wives to drain power from them, right? You killed the first one. You killed the second wife. You killed the third wife. Only God knows what you're going to do to the next one.
Enough! 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 Have you gone nuts? If you open that mouth again, I am going to behead you.
Okay, you know fit. Change your ways! Repent! Why you they keep... You are a murderer! Killer now you be. Anum Paba. Stupid king.
Guards!
Yes, my king.
Hold her. Take her to the dungeon and give her 17 lashes.
For what now? See, if anything happens to me, I will come for you with full speed. You go see her.
My king, you summoned for me.
Yes, I did. I want that casket seller to be seriously tamed and ostracized from this kingdom.
Chica. Your Highness, what offense did she commit that would deserve such
Lady Queen. Oh yes. She runs her mouth uncontrollably. I don't like that. I cannot sit here and condone such madness. No, I will not do that. I want you to tell the youth to do the needful.
My king, I understand Chica and her nonchalant attitude, especially the way she was. But my king, I'm sorry. What she committed, the gravity of the offense she committed does not measure with. I'm sorry, my king. Because I don't know how to go about it.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me what to do? Oh no. I hope you're not here to defend her. And who says she has not committed a grave crime against this kingdom? False allegation on the royal throne is a serious offense, and I will not condone it. Go out there and tell the youth to destroy her shop. Not just that, let them escort her out of this kingdom immediately.
I've heard you. I'll do just that.
I've spoken.
There is a very big problem. There is a problem, as in a very big problem.
A problem? What is it, Ono?
I'm just coming from the king's palace. Do you realize that the king has ostracized Chica? As if that is not enough. He ordered me to go to her business center and shut the place down.
What? Why would he do that?
I don't know. The only thing he said was that the girl spoke blasphemous words against the throne.
Chelo. Wait. Let me get this straight. Did you say he imprisoned her?
See, let me quote him. I have put her in the dungeon. That was exactly his words.
Oh no.
I'm telling you.
Oh no, it can't be possible. Because I just saw Chica with my very own eyes going to her shop. And she's hale and hearty. There's nothing wrong with her.
You can't be serious. Are you sure for that together?
Oh no. I know Chica even with my eyes closed. Okay, if you want to doubt me, let us go to her shop. Kaigawa. Let us go there and I will show you.
Chica. It's true. Chica, I learned the king imprisoned you. So how come you're here?
Me. 100 King Richard not fit hold me captive. I never even start yet.
Chelo, Chica. I don't understand what I'm hearing. What is going on between you and the king? I heard he want to ostracize you.
Me? How?
Chica, wait, please. This is not a joking matter. Honestly, Adibin is not what you stand for. And what I have seen with my eyes you do. Frankly speaking, I would have taken actions, which is an order. So tell me, what is happening?
Your king does not deserve the crown he is wearing. He has soaked his hands with blood. Blood of the innocent. His queens are his ritual sacrifices. He must be stopped.
Chelo, Chica, let me understand. Are you telling me in other words that the missing queens is a result of the king using them for rituals?
His third wife, Queen Lizzy, came to meet me for help, and I'm willing to help her.
Hey.
Wait. Iche, see, I'm beginning to see a clear picture of what she's saying. Have you ever bothered to ask why we've not been seeing these queens?
No.
Hey. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, we will see.
Somebody help my mother! Please! Please, I'm begging you. Please, don't hurt me. I didn't offend you. My mother! My mother! Please, I'm begging you, please. My mother! My mother! sent for me.
Yes, Queen Mother. Queen Mother, I should have listened to you. I messed up. I really messed up big time. See, I thought you were just jealous of me. I didn't know you were preventing me from all this. I'm sorry.
Calm down, take it easy, calm down. Okay, calm down. You are in shock. What happened?
The king, it doesn't mean well for me. And I know you are aware of it. I know. Mother, please, I want to beg you. Just tell me the truth. Tell me what happened to the previous queens, please. Just tell me.
I don't have any idea. So I can't say.
Not even the most recently married Lizzy?
I don't know. Because my son did not tell me anything about her. I don't even know her whereabouts.
I think I saw her. Yes. I saw her in my chambers. I saw her there.
What? How?
She was sitting on my bed. The next minute, I don't know, I think she disappeared. Wait, please, I don't want to die. Just help me, please. I'm begging you, I don't want to die. Help me, please.
Calm down. Take it easy. Calm down. Just relax, okay? You are not going to die. Alright?
Okay.
No one is dying.
Okay,
yes, I promise you. We will get to the root of this matter. Just relax, okay?
Okay, but at least for now, can I stay with you in your room? Please, I don't feel safe with the king. Just help me because...
Please. No, you can't. You can't. Because your husband will get angry.
Hi. That means I have to leave this palace, so... No, I have to leave. I have to go and stay with my mother. I can't stay here. Look at me,
God!
The girl I told you guys to imprison the last time, where is she?
She's in the cage.
Are you mad? I am just coming from the prison yard and I found no one. Did you morons let her out of your sight?
No, my king. We locked her up thoroughly.
You locked her up thoroughly?
Yes, my king.
Alright. Go and find her and bring her. I want to see her. Go.
Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going home. I'm going to my mother.
You are going home. Is this place not a home?
I'm tired. I'm done. I'm tired. I don't want this anymore. I'm tired.
Did I hear you say you're tired? You're done? Done? You Kim? Now let me tell you. Listen and listen to me for good. No one dares to break royal union except death. Yes, except death. But since you've proven stubborn, I am going to tell you and show you what stubbornness begets. Now, sit and listen. Henceforth, you cease to be my wife, but my prisoner.
Please.
Hand your phone over to me.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Just let me go, I'm begging you, please.
Hand your phone over to me! Now!
Please, I'm begging you. Just let me go, please.
I don't want to leave it. Go, bring it. Bring it! Let me see how you're going to continue all these your silly sins in this palace. It stops now. You are my prisoner, and that is what you will remain. Come here.
Somebody help! My mother! Help me! Somebody should help me!
You're my prisoner!
Please help me! Somebody help! Somebody help me! My mother, please, I'm in danger! Help me!
Shut up!
Help me! Help me!
Shut
The girl I told you I want to ostracize from this kingdom just escaped the palace yesterday. But no, did you assemble the youths that I instructed to go to Orji's casket and destroy everything in there?
I would have done that long ago, but after hearing a story from another angel, I decided to change my mind.
A story? Whose story did you hear? From which angle?
From Chica.
Same Chica. Chica who happens to be the enemy to my throne. Huh.
Your Highness. Your Highness, we the elders of this kingdom have come in unison to ask you one simple question, and we need a sincere answer from this throne.
Yes. And what silly questions do you seek for?
Your Highness. Your Highness, we demand to know the whereabouts of your queens, we mean your wives,
yes,
ranging from Queen Ola down to Queen Lizzy. Why have we not been seeing them in this palace, and where have they been?
Oh, I see. I see where all this is coming from. So she fed you all with lies, and you decided to come and ask me such a silly questions. Huh?
This is a matter that will be resolved with wisdom. All we are asking is the whereabouts of our queens. Even the present Queen Kim, no one, I mean, we don't know her whereabouts ever since she got married to you.
It's your papa, you're a fool. In fact, you're a bigger fool. You stay there to ask me silly questions? Stupid and dumb questions. Don't worry. I will deal with her. After doing that, I am going to deal with the both of you. But before then, I will ask my guards to go to Orji's casket ward and destroy everything they see there. And if anyone dares to stop them, I will ask them to kill that person without an iota of conscience. If I made myself clear? Guards!
Richard! Richard, why?
Lizzy, I know that it's your voice. Show yourself, you coward.
You are the coward. You stole my life to gain your powers.
Hey. I did what I did because I want to protect my kingdom.
The only thing that needs to be protected is this kingdom at large. It needs to be protected from you.
You sold my secrets to a casket seller. You should have trusted her to continue this task. You coming to confront me face to face was your biggest mistake. I am coming for your undertaker. Yes! I am coming!
Chica, there's a big problem.
What happened? Person die, make I sell casket too.
Nobody's dead yet. But as we speak now, if you fail to do something, our boy might die. And I know very well that you don't have the size of his casket in your shop.
Wait. What's happened to our boy?
As I was coming, I saw Igwe and his guards forcing our boy into his car's boots. And they drove him away. If you fail to do something now, they might kill him.
Our boy?
Yes.
Igwe, they mad. Show me. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Chica. Chica, can't there be peace in this kingdom at least for once?
There will never be peace, oh no. Tell your king to release my boy. And he has to confess all his atrocities before stepping down from that throne. Else, he will have me to contend with.
Wait. The king arrested the boy?
Yes! My boy is in his custody. I'm giving him 24 hours to release my boy. Else, he got beef for Ramo. I know they play. I'm not well, oh. Not a wine.
It's okay, Chica. See, your demand is very high. You know our king is very powerful. You know whom he is. He's not just the type of king you toy with. Eh? Honestly, your demand is impossible. Moreover, if he steps down, we don't have any heir to that throne. You know it. So it's impossible.
It's impossible. Your king is powerful, Abi. Okay. Make him not release my boy in the next 24 hours. What I go do am? When I go hear this calls for this village, you go see him. Okay.
Hello? Nkem? Wam. Hey, I've been trying to reach you. Your number has not been going. What happened, Nkem? Are you okay? Are you well? What is the problem? Okay, I've heard you. Just take it easy. I'm coming. I promise. I will come to the palace today to get you. Do you hear me? Hey!
Some spirits are strong. You can't stop the mind. When you're zero,
I am waiting for your madam to show up. I will end the both of you today. Right? I'm going to use you and Chica as a scapegoat in this kingdom. I'll put in your places so that the people in this community will learn how to fear their king. Yes. They will learn. They will learn. Nonsense. I'm waiting.
Richard, what is happening here? And why is he here in this manner?
Mother, please. I want you to return to your chambers. Alright? What I do here is none of your business. Go back to your chambers, please. Are you still here? Return to your chambers, please. I have an unfinished business with these idiots. Go back. As for you, I will soon deal with you, Chica.
You were at my son's birthday party marriage ceremony with the casket ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Who are your parents?
I have none, my queen.
What do you mean you have none?
I was raised by late Chief Oji. I grew up with him, and I also worked with him at his business, selling the casket.
Take him away.
For one to show love for his people, breaking barriers others couldn't break. No one can tell how far this can go.
What have I done to myself? The prince has finally found his way back to the palace. God help me, oh. God. Come. Mine is now staring at me, at my face.
You! He has been waiting for you.
I want to see the king. Where are boy?
The king will see you soon.
Na king no fear. Get mind carry my boy. If I enter this place, what I go do am? He go collect woto. Na go see am.
I said, stop here.
What did happen? Man, go see the king. They got mad.
Release that boy and let him go. He shouldn't have been here in the first place.
Why are you so keen on this boy's case? Why are you so particular about me releasing him? Any ally with Chica should be severely punished.
I made a grave mistake. I know how hard I fought to make sure you are on that throne. You don't know the sacrifice I made just for you to become the king. Believing that you are the best candidate for the throne. Now you are disappointing me. You are letting me down. You don't listen to me. I regret ever backing you up till this moment.
Whatever sacrifices things nothing. I have always remained the heir to this throne, the throne of my father. I'm a born ruler. With or without your sacrifices, I will still become the king. So what are you talking about? So, mother, if you don't have anything to say, just discontinue this conversation. I don't. Did you hear that noise?
Release a boy to me now.
Or what will happen? Look at you. You are like a cockroach thinking so highly of yourself. As if you could stand in a battle. But you know what? I will destroy you without you breaking a sweat.
You see you will confess all your atrocities to everyone here today, you.
Will you shut up? Do you realize you're talking to a king?
Mother, please, allow me to handle this. We are going to do it this way. I will kill you and that boy. I will kill you before my elders so they will know the kind of stuff their king is made of. An execution is about to happen.
This man here, your so-called king, is a murderer. Huh? Today you will confess to all of them here how you killed your wives, Queen Uju, Queen Atugo, and Queen Ola.
Silence! Have you gone mad? Do you know you are simply blaspheming? Mere words without proof. You do not have any proof. You need to bring before us evidences that you have, or you will be beheaded right now. I need you to show us the evidences of what she's saying. You have 10 seconds to do that, or I will behead you here and now. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, you just made a fool of yourself. Now what stops me from beheading you? If I decide to be.
It's true, everyone. It's true. The king here is a murderer. He's responsible for the deaths of the previous prince. Yes, it's true. I'm a living witness. He tried killing me as well. He's a killer, a murderer. He is.
This is just another fool. I mean, those fools that.
Son, please.
You mad?
It's okay.
Mother, please. Please. Push me. I beg you. Don't push me. Guards!
Yes, my king.
Go in there and bring that boy here right now.
Yeah, it is, my king.
Kneel down. You are lucky. I'm in the best mood. You're very, very lucky. Now I want you to take this boy out of this place. And I don't ever want to see you in my compound, let alone my gates. The next time I see you face to face, I am going to do something that you will regret all your life. Get out! You mad? I'll confess. I'll confess. Yes. Yes. I killed my wife. Yes. I snipped life out of them because I want to protect myself. Because of protection. I want to protect myself from my enemies. And also for immortality. I took away their lives back just to add to mine, so I can rule this kingdom for as long as I can. Their bodies were buried far from this palace. Far from this palace.
Richard, so you did all this. You're very wicked and heartless. You're not worthy to be the king of this kingdom. I'm very ashamed of you.
Exactly. You must be stripped of your sovereignty and the throne handed over to a more befitting king. Man. No. I'm sorry, my elders. Please, forgive me. Forgive me.
I also have a confession to make. My late maid, Urena, have a son for my late husband, the king.
Well, the child died alongside with the maid?
No. He didn't. He's right here in our midst.
So, who is this person?
What? A boy?
Huh?
What?
No.
How is that true?
I killed the mother, but I kept my eyes on him while growing with Oji the gasket maker, Chica's father. My elders, I am sorry. I am sorry, please forgive me. Boy, please forgive me. It was the devil. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Africa can go. My eyes have
seen. Hey!
I am Afulatin.
My elders, I'm sorry. It was just a mistake. Boy, please forgive me.
This is a hefty pill for us to take in a day. Elders.
Oh no.
I think we have to adjourn this sitting and reconvene some other time.
Okay.
Another watching Tinosugo.
Where you did all this while when all the drama they happen?
I was trapped by Richard. He got me all this while. But I'm free now.
Now what for this Richard though? But I'm happy you're free now.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're really a nice person, just that you can be crazy at times.
Everybody knows how they're crazy now. They don't see her nowhere. So what's up with the funeral arrangements?
A boy will let you know the one I picked. I'll see you the other side.
For one to show love for his people, breaking barriers, all those...
My son.
Hello.
I know this will be very difficult for you to comprehend. But sit down. Sit. You see, my son, it is very shocking to us as it is to you.
Yeah.
You see, we have been convinced beyond every reasonable doubt that you are the lost son of King Ozo, the predecessor of Richard. But as it stands, our kingdom cannot stay vulnerable without a king. So my son, you have to accept your birthright.
Yes. Oh no, I'm a nobody. I'm just a casket seller. How do I rule these people? What do I tell them? This is a great task, more than me holding the mantle of this kingdom.
That's where wisdom comes in, my son. You know, what I believe in is wisdom and the plans of the gods. You know, the gods have kept you alive, guided you through all the journey of life. Till this moment, they believe that you are ready to take up the mantle, to take up what belongs to you. You know, the gods, they got your back. They love you. So I would advise you, my son, believe in them and you will have nothing to worry about. We know power comes with great responsibility. And that's why you are scared. But don't worry, you are not alone. Oh, no.
You can never be alone. See, my son, we the elders are promising to be behind you.
Yes.
We will support you in your thoughts, actions, anything you want to do. See, let me shock you. Don't you realize that age is just a number?
Yes.
Wisdom coming from the gods.
Exactly.
Huh? See, the gods who has made that position for you will bless you with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to carry on this kingdom. Okay? And moreover, you have also to learn from the mistakes Richard made. Huh?
Big madam, big madam. Igwe! Something they don't sign and seal already. You are Igwe already now.
Big madam, I think this is a big mistake. Oh. I can't even run a business of my own. Talk more of to run a big community like this.
When you enter shop, make you begin find customers. Since stuff and know they tire you. Something where you go accept with your full chest. You dey here they deliberate on them. You don't chop this evening?
I never chop.
Oh, because food no dey the palace, abi? Now who chop belle food they reason well. Anyway, thing go sup, you go enter that palace. Say they made a knack you better pounded yam with insala soup. Then you go chill them down with better wine. When you don't eat finish, you go begin reason well to know whether you go accept the throne or not.
You go follow me go now.
Before uncle, that's why you dey talk small. I dey dressed already. More they go. Make I lock my shop first.
We'll lock our shop.
I bring you your gift, oh.
My madam, I accept this gift with an open heart.
Hey!
God.
Yes, my king.
Take this inside later.
Yes, my king.
Music!
After rain come shine. Oh yeah. If we hear the murmuring, the oh yeah. After rain come shine. Oh yeah. If we hear the murmuring, sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way. May not be about what you've got, but about destiny. You may choose to do this, but maybe destined for